Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sonal here and this is my first YouTube video. In this video, I will be teaching you the basic alphabet of Japanese, which is called Hiragana. But before starting that, I would like you to know some basic Japanese points which is necessary to know before learning Japanese. Japanese basically have three scripts: Hiragana, Katakana and kanji. In Hiragana, it is the simplest and easiest alphabet, and in Katakana, it is not of Japan. Means we don't write things which is related to Japan in Katakana. We can write, but basically we write the things which is out of Japan. Like my name. My name is Sonal, and I am not Japanese. I am from India. So it is. We will write my name in Katakana, not in Hiragana. Next one is kanji. Kanji is considered as one of the toughest scripts, but if you practice it regularly, it will be so easy and interesting. There are some myths also about Japanese, that it is one of the toughest language and all, but it is not the toughest language. It is one of the interesting languages to learn. So in my further videos also, I will be teaching you kanji and the basic levels of Japanese, by which you can appear for the JLPT N5 exam, which is the beginner or the basic of Japanese language proficiency test. So without wasting time, let's start our video and I will teach you Hiragana alphabet. So let's get started. Hiragana has basically 46 alphabet in it, and today I will be teaching you the first basic of this alphabet. So first one is Hiragana A. This is pronounced as Hiragana A. A. Then in this row we will go like this. Then A, E, U, A, O. Now after this line finishes, then we will come to this line. Hiragana Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko. Sa, Shi, Su, Se, So. Ta, Chi, Su, Te, To. Na, Ni, Nu, Ne, No. Ha, Hi, Fu, He, Ho. Ma, Mi, Mu, Me, Mo. And then Ya, You, Yo. Ra, Ri, Ru, Re, Ro. Wa, O and U or Na. Now you must be thinking why these are empty, why there is this cross. So it is means it is empty. There is no alphabet in this. We have to say only three, or we have to pronounce only three alphabet in this. In this line also we will learn Wa, O and Na only. Now what you must be thinking, what is this star mark in this? These all are exceptions. There are some exceptions in Japanese language, and in Hiragana also there are few exceptions, like Hiragana Shi. It is pronounced as Hiragana Shi, and this is Chi. After Ta it should come Ta and Ti, but it came Ta and Chi. So we will pronounce it Ta and Chi. Su, Te, To. Here also Sa after Sha. It is not Si, it is Shi, S-H-I, She. Now after this Chi, this one is also Su and this one is also Su, and in this Su T is silent and we pronounce it as So. With lip and with the help of tongue we will pronounce it So. Su, Te, To. Okay. Now I read it out. Now I will write and show you with this chalk order how to write this alphabet. Now we will learn the writing of hiragana with stroke order. This is hiragana A, so we will write it with stroke order. Okay, so the first stroke order, there are 3 stroke order in this. First one is this with blue line. Second stroke order is this with red line. And third stroke order is with this green line. It is pronounced as hiragana A. Next one is hiragana E. It's so simple. First one is this. We will simply put one line and then we will just put one dash. Then this. It is hiragana E. It's not E, it is E. It will be written as E. Next one is O. We will put O like this. First is this one. Second is, we will put one dash in it. So this one is second. It is hiragana O. Next one is A. In first stroke order, it has 2 stroke order in this hiragana E. So in first one we will write, simply put one dash. Then in second stroke order, it is looking something like Z. So we will write half 7 and then we will rotate it like this. We will rotate it like this. Then this becomes hiragana A. A, E, U, A and then O. Last one. We will know the first stroke order is this red one. Second is this green one. We will just come from up, then we will just rotate it like this. This is the second. Third one is this. We will put one dash. This is the stroke number 3. It is pronounced as hiragana O. Now next is hiragana Ka. So in this there are 3 stroke orders. First one is this with blue line. It is the first stroke order. Second one is with this red one. It is the second stroke order. And then third one is simple one dash. So we will write it as like this. This is hiragana Ka. Next one is hiragana Ki. So Ki has 4 stroke orders. So first one is one straight line like this, horizontal line. Then second one is one again a horizontal line with small, which is smaller than the first one. Then third one is straight line and then a little curve. And then fourth one is like simple dash. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the hiragana Ki. Next, this is hiragana Ka. Next one is hiragana Ko. Ko is simply one line like this. It is looking something like a beak of a sparrow or any bird, isn't it? So it is Ku, hiragana Ku. It is simply looking like a cuckoo's beak. So it is Ku. Next one is hiragana K. K has 3 stroke order. First one is this one. First. Second one is this again a line which is bigger than the first one. And then third one is this. First, second and then third. Okay, there are 3 lines in this. Next is hiragana Ko. Hiragana Ko has 2 stroke order. First one is this and simply second one is like this. We'll go like this or like this. So it is hiragana Ko. First one and then second one. Hiragana Ko. So it was all for today, friend. That's all. And now in my next video I will be teaching you the further stroke orders of hiragana. Till then, if you liked my video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you will be notified for my further videos. Hope that you like this video, and till then, take care and sayonara.